Today we're gonna be taking a look at this 3-piece colander set. Now this is nice because you're gonna have 3 different sizes that come inside of here. These are gonna be dishwasher safe and you're gonna be able to use these for so many different scenarios. So starting off with the smallest one, you're gonna see that this is the 2 quart and they all basically have the same general size and shape. One of the things that I really love about these is down here at the bottom, you're gonna see these feet. This is actually gonna hold it up off of the ground. So if you're gonna be rinsing anything inside of the sink, which we do quite often, especially if we're making maybe, let's say, pasta or something like that, throwing this in the sink is amazing because it does get lifted up off the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it getting, mixed in anything nasty. But yeah, this one right here is gonna be the 2 quart size, and it's about as big as my hand. And this is gonna be great for washing smaller items. So things like fruit, veggies, chopped up fruit or veggies, anything that's very tiny and small could fit in here. We've got a 3 quart option. Let's go ahead and compare them in size. They are pretty close until you flip them like this. Now you can see that the 3 quart is quite a bit bigger. And then this one right here is gonna be the 5 quart, which is the big one. So I love using the big one most of the time just because it gives me a lot more room to shake and move things inside of here. So if I've got something like fruit, I'm cleaning off my strawberries for the day, then I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in here and I can kind of flip everything as I rinse it. So I really like having the extra room and the different sizing here. Plus, just in case someone else used one, there's always another one ready to be used. Now let's look at a little bit more on the design here because they did a great job at designing these. You can see that the edges have really wide handles, which make it nice and easy to grab and pick up. This is one thing that I hated about our older ones is that the handles were really, really small. So whenever I'd go to pick it up, I felt like I was grabbing it with my fingers pinching the edges, and I'm always worried that I'm gonna be dropping it. Especially when you've got something on the line like spaghetti, you do not wanna drop it when all the food's ready, and that's like the last thing that you need to do. Imagine, dumping all that over, and then you gotta basically start over for dinner. So I hate having small handles. I really like the fact that they added these and made them nice and thick. Plus they have kind of like a little edge on them. I'm not sure if you can fully see it, but it's nice because once you got your hand on here, even if you kind of pull away, your hand isn't just gonna slide right off. It's not smooth like the top part is. It actually has a nice little bump, which is really gonna hold it into place. Now, the other big thing here is that these are stainless steel. So if you're trying to move away from plastics to get away from all those microplastics, a lot of the colanders that are the older style are made of plastic. So we've literally tried to replace as much stuff in our house as possible to become stainless steel. And I really like these because you could see we've been using these for months and they have not tarnished. There's no discoloration or anything like that. They look pretty much brand new. I just took this one out of the dishwasher and dried it off for the video, and you could see it looks like it literally just came out of the box. Another thing with the design here, you're gonna notice that the bottom is kind of like a matte color, and then on the inside is where it's gonna be a reflective. So, this doesn't really mess with anything with the functionality of it, but these things look great, and I really like the fact that you could even stack these inside of each other, because when we store these away, we don't wanna, take up extra cabinet space that's unnecessary, so these just stack right inside of each other. They'll fit in your cupboard, in your cabinets, and you don't have to worry about taking up any extra space. Now, if we take a closer look here, you're gonna see what the size of these holes are. And they also did an amazing job of picking this out as well, because even if you have very small spaghetti noodles or vermicelli noodles or anything really small and tiny, it is not gonna slide through these holes. This is just enough for you to be able to rinse the water through and any smaller dirt particles. So, if you're washing something like strawberries, you might have leaves that fall off and they're gonna get stuck in here. They're not gonna go through because they are very tiny holes. So they did a really good job, honestly, at picking this hole size. Plus, it also drains out at a good pace. That's something that a lot of people don't think about when picking out these types of bowls, is that sometimes you'll get ones where the holes are just way too small, and then it takes you forever to rinse something out because the holes are small and it takes a while for that water to completely drain out. So I really like the way that they designed that. Now, the last part I want to talk about in the design is right here in the middle. It's a little bit hard to see, but you'll notice that there's a little bit of a bump from this edge to the middle, and that's on purpose. They made it to where the water is gonna drain off to the side and through these final holes that are right around the edge right here, right on the outside of this little bottom piece. Again, making it really easy for all that water to completely drain out, and it's not gonna get stuck down here at the bottom, because if you're rinsing something out, I mean, we don't actually wanna keep the water in here. We want the water to go through our food, out the bowl, and down into the sink. So yeah, they did an amazing job of the design on these, and I'm actually really impressed, especially for the price that they put them at. These stainless steel colanders are probably gonna stay in our family for a very long time, so I'm really glad that we ended up just investing in these instead of just going with like some cheap flimsy plastic ones. These are one of those things that you could just buy and honestly keep forever because it is stainless steel, and you wanna go with something where the design is exactly what you want. So I'm really glad that we went with this one compared to some of the other ones that we were considering on Amazon. And honestly, for what they put them at, it's honestly a really good deal. So if you're looking for a colander set, something that is stainless steel, gonna be away from the plastics, that has a really good design, really easy to hold, and also has these little feet at the bottom to raise it up, then I would definitely recommend picking these up and trying them out.